Looking for a challenging, in-demand career that you can qualify for quickly? Consider the skilled trades. These are well-paying, hands-on careers that contribute essential work to society. Many jobs in the trades require only on-the-job training after high school, while some careers require short-term training or learning through an apprenticeship. In addition to a low barrier for training, these careers typically have great starting pay and advancement opportunities. The need for workers is high and expected to continue to be in the future. While AI impacts demand for many jobs, the hands-on aspect of the trades means these careers are much less at risk. You won't spend much time at a desk or in front of a screen on your typical workday in the trades. Some jobs are done outdoors. A plus for many people in the trades is the opportunity for self-employment after gaining skills and experience. And while some fields have been dominated by one gender in the past, opportunities are now strong regardless of gender. There are also challenging aspects to work in the skilled trades. Some fields are physically demanding, with long hours on your feet, handling heavy tools, equipment, or materials. Some trades work can be dangerous, such as working at heights, in harsh weather conditions, around loud noises, open flames, or high water pressure. Trades careers are probably more varied than you think. Check out these examples. Agricultural equipment operators drive and control equipment to support agricultural activities. Forest and conservation workers perform physical labor to improve the quality of natural areas, such as forests, rangelands, and wetlands. Wind turbine service technicians diagnose and repair wind turbines, including resolving electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic malfunctions. Plumbers, pipe fitters, and steam fitters install and repair piping fixtures and systems. Machinists set up and operate a variety of machine tools to produce precision parts and instruments out of metal. Chefs and head cooks oversee the daily food preparation at restaurants and other places where food is served. Dental assistants perform specified clinical duties under a dentist's direction, as well as scheduling, record-keeping, and billing. Aircraft mechanics and technicians diagnose, adjust, repair, or overhaul aircraft engines and assemblies, such as hydraulic and pneumatic systems. To get started, visit Skilled Trades on CareerOneStop.org/explore careers. You'll find links to career profiles to learn about job requirements, typical pay, and links to training programs and job postings. For trades that require only on-the-job training, you can also search job banks for openings to apply for in your area, using search terms like carpenter's helper or forest conservation jobs. Many trades are apprenticable, meaning you earn while you learn. Apprenticeships are full-time paid jobs that include both supervised on-the-job training and a formal education component as part of the workday. Apprentices start at a beginner level of pay, then earn increases as they meet skill standards. Look for apprenticeship opportunities in your area by searching Unions plus Your City and looking for apprenticeship on their websites, or contact a local American Job Center. If you choose a field that requires technical school training, look for programs in your area at community and technical colleges or private trade schools.